From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, the defense headquarters has disclosed that 800 former Boko Haram terrorists have repented and are undergoing de-radicalization. The Chief of Defense Training and Operations, Emeka Onumajuru, disclosed this while speaking on Channels Television Morning Brief on Monday. He stated that the de-radicalization of the former fighters who surrendered to the military is part of efforts to reintegrate them into the society. According to him, while 129,000 Boko Haram fighters and their families had so far surrendered, only a selected group had been chosen for rehabilitation. The chief further explained that all surrendered individuals are subjected to legal scrutiny, with those found guilty facing prosecution, while others deemed fit for rehabilitation are placed in the de-radicalization program. He stated, the military chief defended the feasibility of rehabilitating former insurgents within a year, noting that the program is handled by professionals under Operation Safe Corridor, a non-kinetic approach to combating terrorism. Onumajuru added that the one-year period is sufficient enough, depending on the people handling the de-radicalization. We will continue to monitor the story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.